Okay, guys, it's been a long I do one of these videos. Have I ever done an unboxing video? I do not think so. But this is not an ad, by the way. This is me just providing service. So just call me service provider. Um, for a lot of Nigerians, especially recently, you've been seeing a lot of Temu ads everywhere you turn. Instagram, this, that, Facebook, email, everywhere you turn. There's Temu there waiting for you. So one day I was bored and I decided to shop on Temu. And here's my verdict. Now before I go right into that, I like to say that I read a lot of reviews before I shopped and I saw a lot of not so great reviews. I mean, with everything that is all over the place, obviously there will be a lot of fakes and there will be a lot of not so great products. So I was well aware of that before I tried to shop on Temu. So I took it upon myself to shop on Temu one day. I was bored, and these are the results. I bought three things. It took about roughly 8 9 days for it to get to me. Maybe I paid. The payment was very seamless. I have to commend them for that. I used bank transfer, very seamless. And then once payment was done, which was free shipping, if you shop up to 40K, they quickly sent me an email and then they started sending me a tracking. It pretty much shipped by the next day, and I started to track the package. And in total, I got the package in 8 9 days max. Yeah. So these are the things I bought, and these are what I think about them. First thing I bought was the slippers. Look at it. It's just a simple knockabout slippers. To be fair, I didn't spend a lot of money, so I wasn't expecting a lot. I just bought something casual, something I can wear every other day when I want to go on casual outings, and I bought this. But from the look of things, it actually looks great for the amount. It looks really okay. I'll give it a 6.5. I mean, for what I paid, this works. Then I bought this. Yep, this is a purse. I saw it, I thought it looked nice, and I've always wanted like small knockabout purses that you can just carry, every other day that is also sizable. And this came in handy. To be honest, I wasn't expecting much. I just got this purse. I saw it, I was like, okay, cute. Whatever it is, I would just see what it is. But I really like this one, so I give this a 7. I haven't started using it yet, so I don't know how durable it is, but it looks pretty fine from where I'm sat. And I'm definitely going to rock it a lot. I bought this in 2 colors, and then the next one is this brown. I really like the brown. And even if I don't want to use it, I can gift it to somebody. But this is something that I did. So these are the things I bought and the shoe. And my verdict is 7. 7 seamless payments. 7 seamless time of shopping to time of delivery, short and easy. It was delivered to my doorstep. Seamless because the quality isn't bad. No, I must confess I expected a lot worse, but this is great for what I had in my head. So yes. So if you're looking to shop on Temu and wondering what should I shop, should I not shop? Because before I shopped, a lot of people told me, "Oh, don't try it. It's terrible, terrible, terrible." But I went ahead and this is the result, and I don't regret it. But before you do that, please check reviews of every item you're selling. Whenever I try to shop on any site, anywhere, I read reviews. I read about 10, 15, 20 reviews. Check for pictures, check for what other people are saying about the same product you're trying to buy, so you don't fall victim to, buying what you don't want to buy or buying inferior product, right? So this is me doing a public service. Thank you guys, and later, maybe if I shop for something else, I'll let you know. But for now, yeah, I did this video because I need to start rocking these items. And things that I buy don't stay with me for more than 24 hours. So yes, I'm about to go rock them now. So I had to do this video so that you know. Yeah. So you're welcome. You're welcome, huh?